Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, let's see a home remedy for pigmentation that we have on our skin. As we see, due to so many reasons that may be due to UV radiations or due to any hormonal imbalances, we face pigmentation or melasma on our skin. So to clear this pigmentation and keep your skin glowing and whiter and brighter and smoother, this remedy will help you in a very effective way and also doesn't give any side effects as this is a home remedy. So in this remedy we are using all natural products that are edible. So that is the reason why we don't have any side effects on your skin. So for this remedy here we are taking oats that makes your skin smoother and also help you in removing out with the pigmentation and keeps your skin healthier. And also here we are taking milk. These two simple ingredients will help you in giving out a very effective result without giving any side effects to your skin. Now take a bowl, add oats to it, then add milk to it. Now soak this for about 15 minutes. Now after soaking it for about 15 to 20 minutes, that pack gets thickened. Then you need to apply it on your face and keep it over for about 20 to 30 minutes and then you can wash your face normally. You can repeat this remedy weekly twice or thrice. This will help you in giving out your skin a brighter and younger look and also keeps your skin free from the pigmentation and melasma and also will help you out in cleaning out with the dark spots and black spots and pimple marks that you have on your skin and keeps your skin clear, brighter, younger and glower.